Hi guys, this is Tuti Gogia. In case you are listening this voice for the very first time, you can go check out my social media handles. And this is season 4 of Stuti Speaks. And today I have a very special guest with me, whose name is Manijot Kaur. So पहले मैं बता देती हूँ listeners को कि मैंने आपको कैसे ढूंढा. So I was going through reels. आपकी एक reel आई थी. I think Alia Bhatt वाली आई थी, and that is having 7.8 million something views on Instagram. That's going viral still now. तो वो मैंने देखी, बट दैट वाज नॉट द रील व्हिच एक्चुअली कैप्टिवेटेड माय अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स यू. आई वेंट टू योर प्रोफाइल एंड देयर वर अदर रील्स which I genuinely start relating with. Like, you are very authentic when you're presenting yourself on Instagram. Then I researched a bit more about you. You are an actor, content creator. You are into fitness as well, which I really like. I love people who are like very accountable to their bodies. So I actually got captivated by everything apart from that Alia reel. उसके बारे में भी I want to talk, but वो end में करेंगे. I genuinely want to know your journey. So how, and you were working corporate as well. So me being an MNC, so I genuinely love people who have um, guts to leave their job, pursue their passions, and working on things which are actually difficult and tough. So over to you, Manju. थोड़ा सा मनी अपना इंट्रो दे दो, अभी क्या कर रहे हो वो बता दो, और फिर हम वहाँ से कॉन्वर्सेशन को आगे लेके जाते हैं.
Thank you so much, Shruti. First of all, I really don't know I am capable. I mean, I have done anything to be able to be here. So it's just your kindness. Thank you so much. And talking about myself, currently I'm a full time actor and a model. I am staying in Mumbai currently, and previously I have also worked as a software engineer for a couple of years. And yeah, these are the few
सॉफ्टवेयर
things.
इंजीनियर
And if I
कहाँ
talk
पे
about my
कहाँ पे थे आप? लाइक वेयर वर यू वर्किंग? कहाँ पे काम करते थे आप?
I'll start. So first of all, I belong to Amritsar, Punjab, and
वाओ.
I did my schooling there. I did my college also in like Punjab, and after that I graduated in BTech Computer Science and Engineering, and I was a topper throughout my studies. I
वाओ.
was a very good student, so everybody had hopes like okay, yeah, she should do something good, and I got a campus placement, and I started my journey with Capgemini.
Capgemini. Awesome.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
So I
Great.
moved to Pune
अच्छा.
and I stayed in Pune for few years. I also I worked in Capgemini for few years and then I switched to Accenture, which is
Great.
another renowned MNC.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
after that, yeah, I moved to one more, and then finally, like all through this, I was not very happy with it because that was not something I really wanted to pursue. Yeah, I mean, I had brains and I wanted to be on my feet. I wanted to be independent and start earning on my own, and it was a great platform for that. But uh, inside, I really wanted to do something creative because that's what my calling was since forever. And finally I like decided कि okay, I always used to make excuses because I come from a place which is very conservative. ये बहुत बड़ी चीज थी like कि a girl from that place is doing so well and like she's pursuing a good job, and otherwise people even don't allow that and people give examples from where I am. But then I decided कि okay, now I wanted to pursue acting full time, and I have this problem that I get so many hunches. Like sometimes I want to do this, sometimes I want to do that. So I wanted to see that if this is exactly what I want to do or not. So then I started joining. I joined a theater, and it was
Okay.
quite far from my place. And I almost went there for like 5-6 months continuously, and it was very hectic because it was really far, and there was no way to communicate. Also, autos and all you would not get, so I
ये
had to
पुणे
travel.
पुणे की बात बता रहे हो या पुणे वाली
Pune
बात
ki,
बता रहे हो?
Pune ki
पुणे
baat
की.
hai. Pune.
हम्म.
Like
हम्म.
just before coming, because I wanted to be sure ki, is this
करना भी है
really
या
what I
नहीं?
wanted to do? हाँ.
हम्म.
And then I was still very consistent. It was very difficult to manage along with job and everything, but I stayed very consistent. I got good response, and then finally I decided, okay, yes, it is definitely something I really want to do, and I should pursue this. And then I
हम्म.
decided, कि, okay, अगर अभी नहीं किया तो कभी नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So then
हम्म.
I took the courage and I actually left a good high-paying job to pursue acting, which can also be called something very foolish, but I really had to follow my calling, and so yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah. Ek to, firstly, you said in the initially, I want to address that कि, you don't deserve or whatever. I think I'm very sure कि ये podcast is your first, and I am going to see you on many. Like as a third person, I'm very sure about it. So please, like, it's my honor that you accepted to be my guest. So thank you so much for that. Secondly, congratulations on your courage, because I know how much courage it takes to, because I know how much high paying our IT job, being in a job myself, like being in a working in an MNC by myself. So it's tough to leave your job, like leave your job for passion or anything like that. So again, congratulations for that. See, then tell me, like, you came Bombay, then after Pune se you shifted to Bombay, and how did this journey started?
Yes,
Like, how does this journey started
actually,
then? Hmm.
that was
Yeah.
also very tricky. So,
Hmm.
like when I was in Bombay, I took a job in this was my third switch,
Okay.
and the company was in Navi Mumbai, which is
Acha.
almost like midway to main Mumbai and Pune.
Hmm.
And I just had one thing, ki, okay, Mumbai means I'm closer to acting, and also okay, I'm going to accept it. But it was a hybrid job, so 2 days I had to travel, and 3 days I was free like that.
Work from
So I
home.
started auditioning. Yeah. So
Hmm.
I had to like come to Navi Mumbai for office, and from there I would also come to auditions. So it used to be like 4 to 5 hours, 5 hours of travel from Pune to Mumbai, and I was traveling a lot because I started auditioning, and people liked my profile and they would ask to come for auditions. And you cannot tell them that you are not from Mumbai, because if you do, then
Hmm.
they do not entertain you much. So I used
Hmm.
to say, you know, I'm from Mumbai only, and I'll reach. And it started becoming very hectic. It started becoming so hectic because 5 hours one side I was traveling along with my job. I also had to manage my job. I would literally open my laptop and keep working in the bus and everywhere. I
Wow.
was not eating properly. I was not sleeping properly, and I had no one in Mumbai where I could stay. I literally had. I mean, generally, I'm a very like I don't like taking favors from anybody. I'm
People
very yeah. But
independent.
this time I had to literally talk to people like who were colleagues I had not even spoken to for years, and I had to even stay at their place once or twice. I felt very bad about it, but I had no option.
Hmm.
So I was doing this, and sometimes I was just going back to Pune to literally sleep, and then in early morning I would come again. Like literally for 5 hours of sleeping, I was going to Pune. It was so hectic that finally I decided, okay, no, you cannot keep doing this. And so I decided, okay, now I'm going to Mumbai. It's okay. And that's when I moved. It just I think I moved in April, last April. So it's just 1 year. I completed in April.
Yes.
April end.
So you first shifted to Navi Mumbai and then came to this, like, closer to Versova or somewhere, or you were like
No,
directly
no.
you came?
I just
Huh.
came here. I
Acha.
left that job in Navi Mumbai.
Acha, that you left. That you left. Okay.
Yeah, because yeah, that was
Hmm.
getting very hectic. It was a very high paying job, but I was
Hmm.
feeling really frustrated in it because that was not something I enjoyed. I just was doing it just
Hmm.
literally because of the
Hmm. Hmm.
salary, and
I got
I was
it.
like, no,
So
cannot do this.
no. Hmm. So basically, how did that happen? Then obviously you had some of the savings that you thought कि इतने time तक अगर मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला तो I will survive in obviously in a city like Bombay. So how did you started then your auditioning journey, and obviously content creation too? So how did that, like, that switch happened?
So, like auditioning, like when I came here,
Hmm.
I knew nobody. I just knew one thing, that there is this place called Aramnagar, जहाँ पे
Aramnagar.
auditions होते हैं. So
Hmm.
I came to know that Versova is a place that is closest to it. So I found from Facebook, I found a place I could stay, and yes, I had good savings
Hmm.
because yeah, I mean I'm
Hmm.
wise that way. I have invested my money, I have saved, I also enjoy, but yeah, I had good savings, so I thought, okay, that's fine. And I started auditioning, and most of the auditions happen online. For some of
Hmm.
them, you had to go, and literally, I had no guidance, so I was also exploring. But yeah, this is how I started auditioning from home mostly. And content creation is literally something that happened very late, because what happened is I was like, sometimes I'm active on Insta, sometimes not, just like normal people. And I remember I started a bit of like contemplation. I was interested in this because I'm like many of us do this, that whenever we're cooking, we're doing something, we would always be telling to an imaginary audience that okay, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. I had so
Yeah,
many things
right.
to share with the world, but I would never do that for some reason. I don't know. I keep postponing and all that. But because of this field in acting, you actually have to maintain a profile because people see that, and most of the even for our like shortlisting of brands and things, whenever we
Mm.
audition, so people want to see your Instagram also. So it's just the need of the hour that, and I was not posting too much. If you see, I would just like keep normally. I post my pictures and things and all that, but then uh, just few like it's not been a month with that Alia one. When that
Mm.
work came, I generally
Mm.
posted my work first, and then I was like, because when that shoot was happening, and we were not allowed to post anything about it. But when that shoot
Ach-
was happening, I was literally I like to document my life generally. So
Hmm.
whenever I go anywhere, I would just keep clicking pictures and videos
Yes.
and all that. I just thought, okay, I just wanted to share a snippet anyhow. And I thought, okay, fine, I'm just posting a reel. I just posted it. I had no idea it will go crazy
Viral.
viral. I had no
Yeah, yeah.
idea. I just
Hmm.
posted it and I was like, oh god, okay, what is happening? This and actually, one of my video had gone viral a year back too.
Acha.
It reached 16 million, and that was
Oh.
literally nothing. So as I told you, I would post sometimes and then sometimes I would not. But
Hmm.
I was attending a friend's wedding 1 year back when I had recently moved to Mumbai, and that
Hmm.
was just a fun video, and that reached 16 million. I was like, and I
Wow.
did not like the attention at that time. I was like, oh no, I don't want it. I made my account private so many times to stop the reach, but
Oh.
at
Hmm.
this time, I was like happy with it, and I generally because of that, I just thought,
Hmm.
okay, maybe I should create some more content. Maybe if people like my
Hmm.
personality, why not? That just
Hmm.
gave me some encouragement, and after that, I just kept posting. I just kept posting the things that I want to.
Hmm.
Right now,
Hmm.
I'm not posting things that not just because okay, this can get hits, this can do that.
Hmm.
If you
Hmm.
see, even
Hmm.
if some I know like long format takes time to work, it
Hmm.
does not
Hmm.
work very well otherwise. Short
Hmm.
videos work fast,
Faster.
but I'm still creating long content more because what my motivation is that I want to give value to somebody who is watching,
Wow.
and if
Hmm.
I can somehow give any value to the viewer, somehow it changes something for them. That's what I have achieved
Hmm.
something. That is
Me,
my
I
whole
actually
motivation.
I'm actually liking your whole the solo trip documentation that you were doing. They were kind of addictive. So basically, that was the major content which grabbed my attention when I saw your Rishikesh
Oh,
vlogs, Masuri vlogs. They were like obviously Alia think was captivating because there is a celebrity involved in that.
yeah,
So, but
correct.
genuinely when I researched and got down, so those were more relatable content. And I was like, she's so authentic about what she's doing. So that was the thing which actually grabbed my attention. Coming back to the Alia reel again, how was your personal experience working like a person with? I genuinely adore Alia. I mean, I feel that she's super cute, bubbly person. I don't know, or maybe I share the same zodiac like her. She's also Pisces, so maybe that thing is there. You get a bit biased about the person, but how was your experience working with Alia?
Honestly, she is lovely. She is my favorite too. I love her.
Hmm. Yeah.
And मुझे actually क्या हुआ था when I got this work. So actually, if you saw my social media, I keep it very real. So even when
Hmm.
I have the moments when I'm very sad and all, I post that also. So let people
Hmm.
see, okay,
Hmm.
that I'm not laughing all the time.
Hmm.
And I was going through a very rough phase in April.
Hmm.
Like even career
Okay.
wise, I was not feeling good, and personally also, I had some issues, and I was literally at my lowest. And suddenly, this thing happens for me. I was literally crying every day to bed. I was feeling so bad. And I prayed one day. I literally prayed that, you know what, universe, you know what, I mean, God, Vaheguru, please give me
Hmm.
some hope. Just give me a little amount of light that I can capture it and I can come out of this because I can't take it. I literally cried and I prayed and I slept. And next morning, I wake up with a text from this casting guy who I had shared
Wow.
this audition. for a few days back, I had shared this audition with him. It was for an ad, like for Vadilal ice cream. I was like, oh, he said कि do you have another video? मुझे जल्दी intro भेजो अपना एक अच्छी सी and ऐसे something pictures भेजो. I sent it and I had nothing in my mind. I was just मतलब मुझे एक second के लिए लगा कि कहीं मेरी prayer answer तो नहीं होगी, but मुझे लगा no, कि nothing is happening. I sent it and I forget it क्योंकि हम बहुत auditions देते हैं and I don't really attach myself to it. I literally forgot about it. उसके बाद in the same evening, so I go to Gurudwara a lot. Like most of my Sundays are, I love to reconnect there. And yeah. तो मैं गुरुद्वारे में थी and I prayed and I literally just कि please do something. I want to get out of this. And I just came out of the Gurudwara and a beach is very close by and I love to go to beach also. So after Gurudwara, I walked to the beach. And
Versova Beach.
Yes. So I just sat there and the text comes from him and then suddenly calls come and he called me and he said, you know what, you're selected.
Wow, amazing.
And I had no idea who it is with, whatever it is. I had no idea. I just got to know I got selected. I was like, wow, I became so happy because that phase was really killing me and something, I mean, it made me feel, okay, wow, God is listening. I mean, he was not deaf to my prayers. He listened because that was not a coincidence that you come out of a place and it happens for you. And I literally feel I have not done anything. It's just him. Okay. And then he said कि next day you have to go for trials and rehearsals because it also involves some dancing and all. And I said, okay, fine. I got to know the place. Sorry, it's a bit long story.
हाँ नहीं, I actually want to hear it. हाँ जी, फिर आगे.
I reached there at the place. तो यहाँ पे studios book होते हैं for all this. And I went to the studio. I reached there. And यहाँ पे जाके मैंने बोला कि ऐसे वाडीलाल का आइसक्रीम का है. And they were like कि नहीं, वाडीलाल तो नहीं है, धर्मा का हो रहा है. I was like, नहीं, धर्मा का नहीं है कुछ. I don't know. तो मुझे बोलते बैठ जाओ आप. And मैं बैठ गई and I was like कि यार वाओ, कितने लकी लोग होंगे जो धर्मा का कर रहे हैं. काश कभी. I had no idea ये प्रोजेक्ट किनका है, किसका है, कुछ नहीं पता. मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं था, उसमें आया था but I didn't read it. थोड़ी देर बाद वहाँ से AD आई and she was like, हाँ मनीषा तो के कम. Then I got to know oh God, one of my faces really go. Then अंदर गए and there was this huge team of choreographers and everybody and I was literally the main girl. Like they were, if you saw the video, there were 3 states like Punjab, Maharashtra. And for Punjab, I was the only one and it was a very good chunk as well. And I was very happy. Dance वगैरह हुआ, भंगड़ा हुआ and they were very impressed choreographers because उनकी team से better like I was performing. And they even changed the choreography to match with me. The choreographer was very sweet. She was literally the nicest. Dimple ma'am, she was very sweet. इसमें सब rehearsals वगैरह हुई. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था मुझे. I had and I like जो cast भी था, थोड़े friends बन गए. And as I was about to leave, tomorrow was the shoot, and I got to know कि Ale is starring in it. I was like, what? No, not what are you saying? I had no idea. I could not believe it. I was like, no, ये हो ही नहीं सकता. And उसके बाद मतलब पता चला कि फिर मुझे लगा मे भी मेरा इतना पार्ट नहीं होगा, कहीं दूर दिखेंगी, शायद ऐसा नहीं होगा. पर फिर भी मुझे लग रहा था कि oh shit, Alia Bhatt, will I see her tomorrow? And I was literally feeling कि no, मैं किसी को बताऊंगी, मुझे लगता है मैं खुद ही jinx कर दूंगी. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था. So funny. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये होगा नहीं. मुझे जबरदस्ती ये लग रहा था कि you know what, कुछ हो जाएगा, मेरी टांग वांग टूट जाएगी अभी चलते चलते, या something will happen, I will not be able to go tomorrow, या something will happen, I will not come, कुछ तो हो जाएगा. मुझे लग रहा था this is too good to be true, this is not going to happen. मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया but I could not help. I told my mom dad कि okay this is happening and they were very happy. but मुझे अब ऐसा लग रहा था कि भाई और किसी को नहीं बताऊंगी क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि पहले बोल दो सब होता ही नहीं.
Yes.
Actually इसलिए मैं सोई भी नहीं रात भर. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि पता नहीं क्या होगा क्या नहीं है. एंड एक्चुअली मॉर्निंग हुई और कुछ नहीं हुआ, मेरी लेग्स वगैरह सब ठीक थी. आई रीच्ड द सेट एंड देन मतलब फिर पता चला मतलब क्योंकि आलिया इज कमिंग नाउ एंड आई कैन नॉट फॉरगेट द मोमेंट. आई मीन क्योंकि मैं बहुत फैन गर्ल हूँ, मैं 1-2 लोगों की बहुत हूँ, नहीं तो आई सी अदर सेलिब्रिटीज आल्सो एंड आई डोंट रिएक्ट. I literally had this song playing in my head, आंखों में तेरी, when I saw her. everybody was like standing and the chupchap shanti se dekh rahe the, and she came and she smiled at everybody. She even looked at my side and smiled, and I say, and I, like, in my heart I was like, wow, I just want to keep looking at her, but I did not, because I didn't want to make her feel uncomfortable and like, oh, ye kahan se crazy fans aa gaye. I feel very normal. और शूट बहुत अच्छा हुआ, मेरा उनके साथ सीन था, और मेरा उनके साथ एंड में सीन था, एंड शी वाज डेफिनेटली वेरी टायर्ड बाय दैट टाइम, एंड शी आल्सो सीम्ड वरीड अबाउट हर बेबी एंड ऑल. तो वो थोड़ी ऑफ सी थी तब जब उनका मेरे साथ हुआ था, वो थोड़ी सी ऐसे थी. सो आई डिड नॉट गो फैन गर्लिंग हर, एंड शी वाज लिटरली दिस क्लोज टू मी व्हेन वी वर शूटिंग.
Wow.
I
And
was
who
so
was
hyped.
creating the video? Who was creating the video? Video कौन बना रहा था? There was who was creating that video for
एक्चुअली
you?
जब आलिया सेट पे आई थी ना, तब अलाउड नहीं था वीडियोस, क्योंकि वो उनका रहता है.
हाँ, right. I think there is slight disturbance that happened. Yeah. Go ahead. Sorry.
वो
Yeah, go ahead.
when
Hmm.
actors come now, they don't
तब नहीं बन.
allow us to keep the phones. तो तब कुछ नहीं बना था, और बाकी टाइम तो ऐसे ही कभी किसी को एक्टर्स ही बना रहे थे थोड़ा बहुत वीडियोस. और ये
अच्छा.
पूरा रास्ता का वीडियोस मैं डॉक्यूमेंट कर रही थी, क्योंकि आई जनरली डॉक्यूमेंट माय लाइफ. इफ यू सी
Your life.
ऋषिकेश वाला भी ना, तो ऋषिकेश
हाँ.
वाला आई हैड गॉन इन जनवरी.
अच्छा.
I documented everything. I have not posted. I have even like been to many trips before, but I have not posted. But I have everything documented. I like to document my life, and I just
Hmm.
thought मैं कभी करूँगी post, because this was something special. But उनके साथ बहुत अच्छा experience था. She was very sweet. I just said hi and ऐसे, but in my heart I was literally fangirling her.
Fantastic.
And yeah, very sweet, very professional.
Amazing.
मतलब बोलते हैं कि don't meet your stars, but मेरा ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं था. Actually, it was very good experience.
Great.
मैं
Great.
बहुत
That's
खुश आई उसमें.
so you must have feel ना कि कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि ऐसा लगता है कि like your dreams are genuinely coming true.
या मुझे तब ऐसा फील हुआ कि यार ओके, मतलब बेबी इट्स डूएबल. ऐसा नहीं है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग क्रेजी, क्योंकि इट इज अ बिग डील. स्टिल
हाँ.
एक साल में मिल गया, नहीं तो बहुत लोग यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग. बट द थिंग विद एक्टिंग इज कि इट्स नॉट ऐसा नहीं कि आपने एक दिन बहुत अच्छा कर लिया तो अगले दिन आपको ऐसा लाइन लग गया. यू स्टिल हैव टू कीप ऑडिशनिंग. वो प्रोसेस सेम रहती है. सो मतलब वो मुझे पोस्ट करने कर. नहीं, go on.
Sorry, you were saying something. आप बोल रहे थे but मुझे पोस्ट करने का. Yeah, go ahead. फिर
हाँ, मतलब जैसे मैंने पोस्ट कर दिया था ना, एवरीबडी वाज गोइंग, मतलब मेरा वर्क लिंक आया एक महीने बाद काइंड ऑफ, एंड आई पोस्टेड इट, एंड मेरा इन माय माइंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट नेक्स्ट. आई वाज नॉट इवन लाइक थिंकिंग अबाउट इट एट ऑल. इट वाज जस्ट पीपल वर लविंग इट सो मच, बट इन माय हेड आई वाज लाइक अब नेक्स्ट क्या कर रही हूँ. इट वाज लिटरली लाइक दैट.
But how was the feeling? Obviously क्या होता है जब कोई video viral होता है, you suddenly start getting a lot of attention, not in terms of के work wise, like a lot of followers coming in, people DMing you, and then suddenly one day you open your Instagram and 100 followers, 200 followers. So how does that feeling feel? Like how does that feeling felt to you specifically?
सी ऑनेस्टली मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रही थी. और मैंने एक बात देखी है कि द वीडियोस दैट यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट मच ना, दे ऑलवेज गो वायरल.
So true.
तो मैंने नहीं सोचा था. एंड द थिंग्स वेयर यू पुट सो मच एफर्ट जनरली मोस्ट लाइकली दे डोंट वर्क मच. सो ये मेरे लिए बहुत ऑब्वियस ऐसा था, क्योंकि मैं बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रही थी. तो अच्छा ये तो चल रहा है काफी. फिर मुझे लगा ओके, मुझे पता क्या लग रहा है, 10,000 व्यूज हो जाएंगे. फिर वो भी क्रॉस. मैंने बोला अच्छा 50 तो हो जाएंगे. मुझे डर लग रहा था 50 के पहले ना रुक जाए. देन इट रीच्ड, मैंने बोला ओके मे बी 100K, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट इज नॉट स्टॉपिंग. एंड आई लिटरली फेल्ट कि आई विल नॉट शेयर इट. इफ आई शेयर इट आई विल जिंक्स इट. बट आई
Yeah.
नॉट इवन पोस्ट वन. और इसके बाद वो वाला एक ब्लॉग भी था मेरा कि 1 year in Mumbai. वो भी मैंने लिटरली ऐसे ही डाला. आई डिडंट नो दैट पीपल विल लाइक इट सो मच. It went very good actually. People took it very well. And then I just realized, okay, I'm getting this attention. Great. Now let's create things that I want to. I know what people want to see, but I'm not like just trying to please them. So I like, if you saw, I am writing letters also sometimes, and some of my friends are making fun. What are you doing? You're writing letters and all just for fun. But I mean, I understand it is not everybody's cup of tea. But having said that, these are the things that I want to create. That These are the things that speak to me. Like, so I'm literally using social media as a way to completely translate what I'm feeling,
So
like
you are
keeping
saying
everything
that you,
translated.
you 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 genuinely want to do things which you genuinely want to do. It's not for the sake of
Correct, correct,
creating. You are creating that genuinely
correct.
makes you happy.
Yes.
Hmm.
I mean, obviously it makes you happy when you get good response from audience. But मेरा क्या है अब जैसे मुझे ज़्यादा खुशी अब आने वाले से I got so many followers honestly.
Hmm.
But कुछ reels हैं जैसे if you see this vlog also like I shared with Rishikesh. I
Yeah.
know it is not everybody is going to like that or
Hmm.
the letters for that matter. But when I see somebody followed me from that reel, na, that makes me
Hmm.
happier. Like okay,
Hmm.
I'm finding my people now because okay,
Hmm.
that is something big and people come for okay fine पता नहीं क्या हो गई है, but like in my head I literally feel कि I have not done anything to get anything like that. I mean, if people are saying
Hmm.
special things, I don't feel कि ऐसा कुछ मैंने बड़ा कर दिया है, but just the fact that it's given me a platform to speak more about things that matter to me, and when somebody comes from that reel, that makes me happier.
See,
मतलब
I genuinely like that reel more. That's what I was saying. कि
yeah,
it
yeah,
was more relatable to me rather than that reel.
मुझे वो बहुत
Though,
अच्छा लगता है. हाँ,
हाँ,
अब जैसे कल एक मैंने मॉम वाला लेटर लिखा था, लेटर टू मॉम. I'm literally writing the things that I would want to say to my mom, and maybe it relates to some people, and that did not work well. To be honest, it didn't give numbers as such. But yesterday I received a message from a girl, and she said she read my letter and she cried.
wow.
It was so special to her, and I felt so good. मतलब ऐसा जब मुझे messages आते हैं ना, that makes me feel के
Hmm.
मतलब कर लिया जो मतलब जिसका जो मेरा मोटिव था ना ये करने का, that is done.
You feel that's the real happiness. That's the real treasure and precious. ठीक है मतलब
Yes.
numbers तो part
And
and
even you
parcel
find
हैं.
that,
हाँ.
जैसे I told you कि when I create something, for me it's like giving some value to someone. Like I'm also creating fun content and all sometimes, and somehow I feel कि okay that might help somebody. But मेरा ये होता है कि my mind is always in giving some value to someone, and if I feel कि एक भी इंसान को कुछ इससे मिल गया है ना, कोई जैसे सेव कर रहा कुछ कुछ कर रहा तो फील होता है कि okay something is happening for this person, that makes me happy.
Yeah, and your gym videos are also nice. Like those are funny. I saw that.
Thank you.
The gym
Actually,
videos were all
so what is
fun. That
happening, my
those are fun. Huh.
these
Yeah.
are actually also actors.
Yeah, yeah.
These are
I
my
know.
actor
I
friends.
was.
These are from theater, and
Huh.
they also like. It just happened all of a sudden that everybody was like, okay, let's start creating something. हम क्यों कितना auditions दे रहे हैं, खुद का content क्यों नहीं create कर रहे हैं? And they also started creating around the same time. They mostly do comedy, and whenever they need a girl, I'm like, okay, fine, I'll do it.
Take me in now. I can do it. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, बहुत ही like I totally loved your story and totally love the way you are inspiring. So अब आगे क्या? What I mean I know it's a very difficult question for an actor because they are also in the journey and the process of what's up for them. But what's in your mind for like upcomings as such?
Honestly, मुझे आजकल content बनाने में इतना मजा आ रहा है. I look forward to it. I'm literally skipping auditions sometimes,
Oh, don't do
but I
that.
intend I intend not to do that now. So
Yeah.
मतलब acting wise भी I would want to do something good क्योंकि that is something main जिसके लिए मैं सब कुछ कर रही हूँ. But having said that, along with that, I will keep creating content now. I literally
Hmm.
am taking it as a full-time job, and I'm loving
Hmm.
this.
So you're getting
So
now getting promotions as well, like collaborations as well?
yeah, I'm getting collabs now. Yes, and my engagement
Great.
rates are going pretty well. So yeah,
Great.
I'm just like I'm trying to keep okay. Let's keep creating the content, and I'm also like experimenting with things and trying to understand. So it's literally happening, and it will happen gradually also. But yes,
Hmm.
I'm loving this, and I'll keep creating content. You will see a lot of content from me,
Sure.
and
I
acting
looking
wise, I will
forward.
keep trying.
I would want to do another podcast when you are 100K. You are 5K and I'm sure you are going to reach 10K very soon. मतलब मुझे ऐसा intuition हो रहा है that you are going to reach 10K and then 100K really soon. So maybe another season, like season 5, I would be repeating my guest and that time I'll call Money. Maybe you are at million or so. We never know. But please do accept my podcast
Obviously,
invitation.
obviously, this is my first podcast. I will definitely always come to this.
Thank you so much. Thank you
First
so
thing
much.
feel
All
very special always.
Yeah, first are special, no doubt. First reel that goes viral is special. First podcast, first audition, maybe sometime first role that you get. Every first is special in some or other ways. So वैसे मेरे पास as such कोई question नहीं है, but do you want to share something specific which is really close to your heart? Something you want to say कि ये मैं बात करना चाहती हूँ podcast पे, क्योंकि मेरे पास like I जो मेरे question थे which are like mostly answered. So, but I don't know you personally, so I want you, if there's something which
You
is really close to your heart.
ask me anything and then I'll answer. Ask me
Yeah.
anything. Don't feel any hesitation. It's fine.
Okay. Tell me, in your 1 year of this journey of living in Bombay, some incident which was really close to your heart, except for this Alia thing which happened, which you said ke Gurdwara se aane ke baad. Obviously, this is one of the highlights. Apart from that, when you're like you were really low, but something that push you कि नहीं यार, I have to pursue this. अगर ऐसा कुछ
See,
याद आ रहा है तो बताओ. हम्म.
yes. So, living alone, I like, there have been so many times when I felt very lonely, when I have felt every kind of thing honestly in this 1 year. I have, but one thing I want to, like whoever is listening to this, I just want to tell you one thing. Matlab, in life, it will keep happening again and again. Life moves in circles. You will always reach low and then you'll bounce back. That happens. But sometimes it takes everything out of you. Some things happen, like as I was saying. So I was in my lowest phase in April. I have never seen anything like this in my life before. I literally felt I will not survive this. It was so bad. And I did. So basically, I just want to tell anybody who's hearing, whoever is listening to this, that if you are going through any of this, trust me. Trust me. I know it's very difficult to just, I know, I mean, we always know कि हाँ पता है सब ठीक हो जाता है, but उस टाइम में ऐसा नहीं लगता है. But
हम्म.
the truth is कि जितना आप नीचे हिट करोगे ना,
उतना ही
उतना
आप
ही
ऊपर
ऊपर
बढ़
आओगे. It's
पाओगे.
literally that wave. It always works like this. And just trust me. और दूसरी चीज है कि he always listens to you.
So
Prayer is
true.
very important. So
So
ऐसा
true.
मत सोचो कि your prayers are not getting answered. मतलब कभी obviously we get frustrated and everything, but never stop praying, never stop मतलब never stop believing. जो मर्जी हो जाए, आप जितना भी कभी भी कुछ भी खत्म हो जाए लाइफ में, but it will always be better. और जितना खराब होगा उसके बाद उतना ही अच्छा होने वाला है. So this is something I just want to say क्योंकि
Can't agree
I don't
more.
know whoever is going through what, and maybe they might benefit from just
हम्म.
listening to this. इसके अलावा
हम्म.
सेकंड थिंग आई वांट टू से कि जब कभी आप इस ऐसे फेज में जा रहे हो ना, द बेस्ट वे टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी, सरेंडर.
Amazing. Amazing.
बेसिकली जब मुझे और बहुत प्रोडक्टिव हो जाओ, क्योंकि जनरली क्या, तो जब हम ऐसे फेज में होते हैं ना, हमारे कुछ करने का दिल नहीं करता. वी जस्ट वांट टू क्राई एंड लाई एंड डू नथिंग, ईट नथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. उस टाइम पे जब आप स्पिरिचुअलिटी में चले जाते हो ना, बहुत, यू जस्ट स्टार्ट मेडिटेटिंग, स्टार्ट प्रेइंग. आप जिस भी बिलीफ के हो, जिस भी रिलीजन के हो, आई एम अ सिख वैसे, आई लाइक
हम्म.
लव टू, आई एम वेरी सेक्युलर, तो मैं सबका रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ बहुत. आज मैं मंदिर पे गई थी. बट सो व्हाट आई वांट टू से, जैसे आप हिंदू हो, आप सिख हो, मुस्लिम हो, तो अपने उसका एक स्टार्ट योर डे विद दैट.
Yeah,
तो जैसे
agreed.
मॉर्निंग में उठती हूँ ना, आई स्टार्ट विद जपजी साहब, मैं लगा लेती हूँ.
Gurbani.
एंड
Gurbani. हम्म.
इट्स मी फोकस, और साथ में अपना घर का काम करना शुरू कर देती हूँ इंस्टेड ऑफ स्क्रोलिंग योर फोन. और
I
मॉर्निंग
agree.
में व्हेन यू गेट अप, यू नो, put your mind to the things that you want meditatively, क्योंकि that is very good time when your brain is literally in theta.
Yeah.
That is a very good time to impress your subconscious mind. So उठते ही अपना फोन लेके ये सब करने की जगह, give some time to the things that are important to you. उसके बाद do something spiritual, कुछ मंत्र जाप कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, and start doing your work. Keep yourself productive and बस you will come out of this phase. अपने आप को बिजी करो, और अपने आप को, जैसे आपने 2-4 बार ऐसे दिन में ऐसे करना शुरू कर दिया ना, जब भी सैड फील हो रहा है, मेडिटेशन शुरू कर दो ऐसे, suddenly you will feel कि you are getting elevated from that place.
So true, so true.
That's
And the second thing I think which you are already doing is working out. These two things I think always
yeah,
helps. Like
yes,
meditating, working
workout,
out, work out, meditate and do something really productive. And जिसका purpose सिर्फ आप नहीं हो. Like you said कि अगर एक भी बंदे ने वो रील देखी और उसको relate हो गया,
correct,
तो आपसे
correct.
बड़ा purpose हो गया ना. When जब आपसे बड़ा purpose हो जाएगा, तो फिर everything just goes secondary. So I think you said three very beautiful things. And yeah,
Yes,
so
working out के
amazing.
बारे में just want to add
Hmm.
कि workout is so important. It मतलब कई बार अगर आप ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो ना, sometimes घर पे बैठे 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 फोन चलाते चलाते your brain will literally get fucked crazily ऐसे
Yeah,
कि ऐसा, and you just go for a walk and your brain will suddenly clear and you'll feel so much
clear.
better. नेचर में टाइम स्पेंड करो. It's very
Yes.
important. Like I love the beach. The reason I'm staying here is because of beach now because I love it so much. Or do that, and workout is very important, not just for your body, but it also helps. I mean, if you have a good body, it definitely nobody looks bad if they have a good body. So it's a very
Yeah.
good advantage. Eating
Yeah.
right and yeah, I mean, I am a very
Eating.
firm believer in all that. I love to
Yeah.
work out. Even right now, I'm so sore from my leg day,
Yeah.
but that's the fun.
दैट्स द फन अमेजिंग यार मनीजोत लाइक बहुत मुझे सच में बता रही हूँ बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके एंड लाइक कई काइंड ऑफ कनेक्टेड विद यू ऑन मेनी स्पिरिचुअल एंड लाइक डीपर लेवल सो बहुत ही अमेजिंग कॉन्वर्जेशन था थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग माय गेस्ट अगेन सो इसी
Thank
नोट पे डू यू लाइक वन लाइनर एनी वन लाइनर इन द एंड एंड वी कैन एंड इट लाइक यहाँ पे एनी इंस्पायरिंग वन टू लाइनर्स फ्रॉम योर साइड
Okay. So there is this quote which is very special to my heart. I'm just going to share it. It's a quote by Paulo Coelho. He's a very famous author. I don't
या
know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Paulo Coelho or
पॉल
Paulo Coelho.
पॉल कोहायो बोलते हैं आई एम नॉट श्योर द एल्केमिस्ट
Yeah.
राइटर ना द
Yes.
एल्केमिस्ट राइट या
Yes.
हम्म
Correct. So
हम्म
this quote is very special to my heart. That tell your heart that the fear of suffering is worse than the suffering itself, and that no heart has ever suffered when it goes in search of its dreams.
वाओ ये एल्केमिस्ट का ही कोट है क्या आई एम
Yes.
नॉट
Yes.
श्योर आई
Yes.
मीन
It is.
या दिस इज एल्केमिस्ट कोट एंड पीपल हु हैव नॉट read alchemist for the listeners do read alchemist you
Do,
it
do.
will change your
One of
life
my favorites here.
my
I mean,
favorites
it,
too.
it used to be my favorite, but then I read To Kill a Mockingbird. It's
And
another
there are many
amazing book.
more. He's an amazing writer. I totally love his books. So thank you, Manijot, and thanks listeners for listening
Thank
to
you.
us. And thank you. And on that note, stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay grateful. I will see you another one. Bye.
Bye bye.